Meet the northern longtail tit, nature's ultimate fluffball with a tail longer than your weekend to-do list. This tiny bird, barely weighing as much as 2 paper clips, looks like a cotton ball glued to a feather duster. Its scientific name, Aegyptilos caudatus, literally means tail so ridiculous it needs Latin to sound official. Found across Europe and Asia. These social butterflies of the bird world travel in hyperactive gangs of up to 20. They're like feathery biker crews. Except their turf wars involve stealing aphids from grumpy ladybugs. Their secret survival hack? Huddling into a squeaky, vibrating ball during winter, basically a living hand warmer with beaks. But here's the kicker, that absurd tail isn't just for show. It acts like a built-in tightrope wire, letting them ninja flip between twigs while hunting spiders. And get this, they've mastered the art of stealth nesting, building camouflage cocoons so sneaky even David Attenborough needs GPS to find them. Lovable? Absolutely. Overdressed for every occasion? You bet. Hit that subscribe button before they start charging admission to their next acrobatic bug buffet.